So see, I would say for India, the impact of crude is going to be primarily through current account deficit, and that is, there is no denial that it's going to increase and increase significantly. So that pressure you will be having. Now, even if there would, let's say there was no war between US and Ukraine, and Fed has suddenly become very, very hawkish with inflation, then also we would have possibly seen 77 levels by now, because that is a good enough reason alone to take it to 77. So if you take US Ukraine as a top headline, the second top headline is Fed inflation fighting. That will come to the number one position, and that's huge. 2.38% 10-year yield. Dollar index will go, once it goes to 100, crosses 100, we are at a different phase altogether. Equity is not going to go up. You are seeing equity is trying to go up, it's not able to go up because there is a decent amount of pressure to sell. So I would say there will be a temporary opportunity if there is a risk on, followed by once the war is sorted out, and that should be a point to buy USDINR, or if equity goes up to maybe short Nifty, something like that.